and in this video I'm going to be showing you top 2025 my books. जितने भी मैंने बुक्स पढ़ी थी उसमें से जो भी मेरी फेवरेट बुक्स हैं इस पूरे ईयर में जो मैंने पढ़ी थी मैंने It's go time. This book is Brave New World. About this book, I will first of all rate this book 3 stars out of 5 because it is ठीक है अगर if you want to like brainstorm it is a good book for that but एक इतना story focus नहीं है if you think it is good book but I will say yeah it is boring without a doubt but good book. I don't know. Oh, on to the next book. It's go time. Next book is Animal Farm. Super duper amazing, simple, very simple language to the point, beautifully written. It's very simple, it's very nice. I mean, like sometimes you just need something really like light to read before sleeping. Read these sort of books like Animal Farm. This is an amazing book. On It's go time. Game over. Who moved my cheese? So this is a type of book that I don't usually read, but I still read this book, Who Moved My Cheese, because it was very nice. Like it's a cliche book people usually avoid, but I will tell you this book, are bhai, this book is amazing. It's a must read. I will say amazing. Another bedtime book, perfect for it. Instead of scrolling, guys, read books ना, मत करो scroll करते हुए, मतलब मत रोज सोते हुए. It's go time. Next book is Notes from the Underground. About this book, guys, फर्स्ट पार्ट में आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा.
I'm legit going crazy right now. You can't do this to me.
मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया फर्स्ट पार्ट को रीड करते हो, बट पार्ट 2 आई वॉज लाइक इससे ज़्यादा रिलेटेबल चीज़ मैंने मेरी ज़िंदगी में नहीं. बड़ी इतनी रिलेटेबल. आई वॉज लाइक us bro us. It is about a man who lives in underground, like मजाक कर रही हूँ. So this book is about a man and how he is very resentful. He thinks think that he will do, but सिर्फ अपने दिमाग में ही रखता है, वो सब चीज़ें कभी करता नहीं है. So yeah, it's an amazing Notes from the Underground, amazing. It's go time. Next is Crime and Punishment. Oh my god, lovely book, lovely. It was like during the middle when he was having headaches, I was too. It is such an intense book, but such an amazing too. Lovely, beautiful. It's like it taught me so much about morals. Very nice for like developing critical thinking and stuff like that. And the story itself is good too. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. I really liked it. Yeah. It's go time. Next is Tuesday with Muri. Oh my god, it is a nice book, very slow book. Again, another type of a book that you can read before bed. It's a quite short book, as you can see. An amazing book about a man, about a young man and an old man. It's literally written there, and the life lessons. He shared his lessons with the guy. What was his name? It was a long time ago I read this. I don't remember, but Tuesday with Muri. Tuesday with Muri is amazing book. And if you're thinking what should I recommend?
1 hour later.
If you are thinking what should I gift to someone, अरे भाई, this book amazing. Gift it, amazing. Even to non-readers I recommend this book. It's that amazing. You should read this book once in a lifetime. Very beautiful. It's go time. Next book is this one. The things you can see only when you slow down. Oh my god, I always have a hard time reading the name of this book, remembering the name. But it's really an amazing book. Open whatever chapter you want to. By the way, it's a non-fiction book, but still, it's like so seriously amazing. It's an amazing book. Whenever you are feeling you're like sometimes अपने दिमाग में खचड़ मचड़ होता है, so during that time you should read books like this. एंड बुक्स लाइक दिस का ये बुक रीड करो, बहुत शानदार है. आई मीन टेलिंग दोस्तों, बहुत मस्त बुक है, बहुत मस्त. मतलब मज़ा आ जाएगा इसको. दिमाग शांत खाली हो जाता है. मैंने इस बुक को 2-3 बार पढ़ लिया और जब भी मेरे को I feel like I'm having a heavy day, I just read this book.
It's go time.
Next is Anne of Green Gables. I mean, if you want to know what free spirit means and things like this, read this book, Anne of Green Gables. I just love her so much. I watched the show too, and I'm planning on to reading the complete series of Anne because I watched the show and now I'm curious. मेरी Anne के साथ क्या होगा? Anne किधर जाएगी? Anne with an E. I loved her so much. By the way, if you are planning to read this, I also recommend that you should watch the show too. It's a bit different from this book, but it's amazing. Both are amazing. Everything is amazing. I love. Perfect. So nice. So nice. So nice.
It's go time.
Next is 1984. This book was my favorite. I think it is still my favorite to this day. I like when I was on part 3, I was like this. I was like this. The whole time I read the part 3 in just like one go. Whoop, scoop, it is was that it. I mean, like, out of all these books I have recommended till far, this one is more like in with intense story. By the way, guys, spoiler alert, it doesn't have a happy ending, and I was so sad. I was rooting for the characters entire time. Of course, there's just one character by Vincent. I mean, like, I was just saying Julia, what's her name? Julia? I don't remember. But let me see when I read this book. I read it in June, 28 June. I completed reading this one, but it's a really nice book, really good book, amazing book.
It's go time.
It's the time for number one. You know who is on number one? Stephen King, 11/22/63. I have completed this recently, and I love them so much. I have never been attached to characters. Maybe it is just because जिस तरीके से he writes his character or something have that has to do with that. But it's such a beautiful book. What can I just say? It is so good. I love. It's about a man who time traveled into the past to stop the assassination. But just I have no words how good the storyline, and it is such a big book. Despite this thing, मैंने ये बुक को एक बार भी एक पेज में भी बोर नहीं हुई. आई मीन आई वॉज नॉट बोर फॉर वंस. ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ. इवन मतलब कभी छोटी छोटी बुक रीड करते हैं तभी अपन बोर हो जाते हैं. मुँह तक गया बोलते बोलते. उसे बोले ही जा रही हूँ मैं. बट ये जो इतना शानदार इतना मज़ा आ गया. आई मीन लाइक आई नेवर थॉट आई एम गोना लाइक दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ फिक्शन बुक, but I did. I did, guys. Oh, okay, guys. There are some books that didn't made it in this video, and because that is the first one is Pet Cemetery. Next is The Bell Jar. It was way too like depressing and emotionally. I couldn't bear reading this. I will be uploading vlog of me reading this soon. But seriously, I mean, like, I was so hurt. I don't know how to express what I felt. I mean, like, it was way too depressing, but I really like this book, really. I mean, like, if I want to give a book to my enemy to make their day worse, I will give it to them. But it's a nice book. Well, don't be fooled by its cover. I know it's beautiful. Next is Stephen King, Pet Sematary. Too scary. I couldn't even finish this book. Too scary. Just way too scary.
Please like and subscribe.